These are so cute. I kind of did, I think these are my third ever Riso print, and I did them with plain ice press this time around. These are the first ones that I actually like, partially because of the quality that they offer, but also because I think I finally got a little bit more of the hang of formatting when it comes to Riso, and just like making artwork risographable, because I work very painterly. As you guys probably know, I do a lot of mixing. I don't really keep my layers super separate. I'm not very organized when I work digitally, so yeah, whenever I have to like make an artwork into a Riso file, it just makes my brain hurt a little bit just because it's not my natural flow. But these turned out really cute. I did this artwork a few weeks back, maybe even like over a month ago. If you watched that video, you saw it. And I decided to make her into a little Riso print. She's also a sticker for this month's Patreon rewards. But yeah, just I'm really happy about these. They're very cute. This is a little print that I had a lot of fun drawing. I am hosting a little event, and later on in the video you guys will see more information on it, but part of the theme is trinkets of all kinds, and I decided to split them up into little teams, and this is Team Cool, as I call it, Team Cool's members. And I just had so much fun drawing this. This feels like fan art to me. I haven't done fan art in so long, like since the beginning of my little art journey. So this was really fun and refreshing to make personally. I recorded the process of this piece, which is a really funky, silly piece, and I'm glad I recorded it because I don't think it's something that is like exciting or good enough to post as just like a static post on my Instagram, but I recorded everything like I said, so I am going to turn this into an Instagram reel. I have been really getting into the habit of making reels lately. They're a lot of fun for me now, actually. Like, it took me a while to get into them because I'm so used to long form content like this on YouTube, but I've been having a lot of fun making TikToks and reels and stuff, so I'm gonna edit that footage. It's 6 p.m. right now, or past 6 p.m. and I have not stopped today, and now I have to do a bunch of homework. I have to work on this piece. It's a laundry pile for my life drawing class, and this is just the reality of still being in school and, you know, trying to run my art business, being self-employed, having to make content. And there's like some periods of time where it's easier, and then there's days like this where I just had everything piling up and I don't get to rest for a few days, but it's okay. I gotta work on this. I have to read a few readings for my art history class tomorrow. Hi, Kimmy. and then I can go to sleep. And once I survive tomorrow, I will be okay. Tomorrow is a day that I am on campus for like 12 hours, so you guys won't see me. That's just a day of the week that I don't work because it's all school, but if I survive tomorrow, I will be okay. I just need to get through it.
그런 말 하지 마. 내게도 쉬운 일은 아냐. 빠듯한 현실의 무게가 버겁고 낯설어. 마지막 나의 배려가.
Hello, I am checking in. I went to the art supply store today because I needed to pick up some stuff for some projects in school, and I also wanted to update you guys on this thing because y'all saw me working on this. It's done. I put it up for critique. It's graded. It did rip a little bit, unfortunately, but it's finally done. It took me almost like 6 hours. Definitely overcommitted, but I also wanted to show you guys some more stuff that I've been doing in school. This is upside down, apparently, but it's some staplers. This little portrait from last video, also put it up for critique, also finished it. And then we have some life drawing stuff, some figures. I don't know if I can show that on YouTube, but there it is. Some more life drawing. So that's been my life. A lot of homework, a lot of school projects, but I just finished my new WOMP design. I'm actually hosting an event with Lucky Bunny in Dallas. I will put up my little flyer, but I am hosting an event with them. So I'm working on getting a bunch of stuff designed for the event, and I decided to do a little 3D bunny. He's a luchador, because that's my theme. It's trinkets, but it's also like lucha libre. So yeah, I've just been having a lot of fun designing. It's September 28th if you are in the Dallas area or in Texas and you're able to make it out. But yeah, I've been doing a lot of planning with that. This is my first semester doing like a true studio class in like almost 4 years. I did do a studio class technically last semester, but it was design, so it was a lot different. There's a lot less creativity involved, at least in the course that I took. It still definitely felt like a more typical class, but this is my first semester taking I'm doing drawing and life drawing, so it's my first time in a while because I've been in school for so long. And I feel like a little bit of a dinosaur in my classes, first of all, which I shouldn't, but I just feel like everyone is so young. I don't know, I tend to feel a little bit like a fossil, but also I forgot how intensive the work is and the homework is for those classes. But I'm actually having a lot of fun. I definitely have a lot more discipline as 24-year-old me versus 20-year-old me. And my skills have also improved a lot, so I'm able to get stuff done a lot faster than it would have taken me when I was 20. I'm trying to enjoy my last year in school, even though I've been really fighting to get through my bachelor's degree and I've been really wanting to be done with it. But now that I'm in my last year, I'm kind of like, whoa, let me enjoy this. Now it's time to do the counterpart to the other print that I did earlier this week. This is going to be sort of like yeah, the counterpart, the opposite of the other print. Hello, Satan. Hi. So many packages in this vlog. Oh my gosh, these look so good. So I've recently been switching sticker manufacturers. And I got these sticker business cards, which, I mean, I really only fit my username on there, but they come with a little sticker. And then I also got, oh, I got a lollipop. I also got a new sticker sheet design of the collages that I did in my Let's Make Art video a month or so ago. I made those guys into a sticker sheet because I thought they all looked really great together. I love. And we are ending another vlog with me working on some homework on a little piece for school. This is going to be for my advanced drawing class, and I realize this is actually my second time taking advanced drawing, but just because of school bureaucracy and the way that credits work and all that, I have to retake it. So yeah, this is for my drawing class. It is a picture of my partner. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I know I had a lot of fun filming and editing it. As the years go on, I have more and more fun sort of like developing my editing style and bringing my visions to life when it comes to videos. Anyway, again, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. So before closing out today's video, I wanted to talk about the sponsor, which is, of course, Squarespace. If you don't know what Squarespace is, it's an all-in-one platform where you can create your very own website, and it is the platform that I have always used to run my website, my online art business, and my portfolio. They have some pretty cool tools that help me out with that. Their new Fluid engine has helped me customize my website down to the very minute detail, but it is super beginner friendly and very easy to use. Their commerce tool helps me keep track of inventory, orders, customer data, all that fun stuff. So if you are interested in Squarespace, you can go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and you can use my code for 10% off your first purchase.